Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is my 2003 Honda CR250R. Just had the bike rebuilt. Top and bottom end of the motor. And did the Polysport restyle kit. The 2019 plastics. And the 2021 HRC Honda graphics. Also got the Lectron carburetor and Boydson ride valve on the bike. It's got Pro Circuit Works exhaust with the shorty silencer. Alright, let me fire it up. Bike sounds pretty good. Super windy day out here. Yeah, started up first kit. Lectrons set it up just a little bit on the fat side for the break-in period. But pretty happy with the bike. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Got the spring powder coated, rebuilt the shock, repacked the silencer, added a few other little parts, some billet parts to the bike, new grips. Alright, I'll end the video right here. Thanks for watching.